Hey, Nana. I know. Nana. By Chebia, Nijna. And him who was the same who's out here and is in him.
Now, when you be
Nana, and Madam, okay.
then,
Nana. Nana, so you eliminate in our country.
oh, come on, sir. Pass a hook of a bra.
Oh, Nana.
I do more harm, I mean, when I'm who can
Nana, you say I do in Comasa. And I'm social media be brave, say evangelists are there. Or say only Apostle John Pra, we Illuminati. Now, Moku Apostle John Pra, mamma, at the night sacrifice. Then I'm social media be brave, say, ah, Nana, they say, and I, you must watch it. Can I Illuminati Cranka? Cover country.
I never call me, said, evangelists are there, even when it's not your colo battery.
Evangelism.
Not being a colo battery or say a charge. Now, before I say a charge, I just say kicky battery, nick a crown, and it's me a charge at the man, sounds not you more.
Evangelist.
Oh, yes, not you more. This time around, and yes, review. And yes, sir. Enough is enough.
Okay.
What can't go for the brave? A good brain massy. Let the say. Huge my dear way.
A course or so.
Of course, sanity. Now say, oh, now so mamma, and chat and crown. Who soon trade you. I know so mamma, and crown crown, who soon trade in a yard chest. Oh, mamma, and crown qua. Umiano, on your wife is of nature. Aqua, so uncha Andrew.
Okay.
As I say,
and then the only cast one drunk, one drunk.
Okay, one more mere encha,
anqua, soon can
okay.
And I did.
Now, the customer, a woman said, dear Tina was said, and Palasania will be as with me a 2 months of goony pain massy. Abra, ending.
And then the dream went to
all kinds of necessary, a woman put the air, come any problem. Me own, when you tell me one person, and you me follow or monam respect or mopa, Sebi, Yaminipa.
Okay.
Yeah, or any master conso.
Okay.
Now, I also say a free day will be a look as a me, and I could see about me illuminati. No, Mrs. Say, young people saying this. The oil in the food, and then fame being all packet. Na se eya desi nya mensa wono so a onka nche me se me illuminati da o di akọ ya dabu illuminati wo hwe dabu gina hoyi na aka se dabu illuminati ma me se wa illuminati se kwa bodo se samia ba me illuminati oh yes lowen illuminati ko kuma ni illuminati chese edimbe menti mo bodi no chese wono die I just one Casama on San Yabi. Now, Bishop not doing be Bishop property a hanepa. At the end, Mary a lot of stars both no. So make commission as I call Ghana Hamon, every and the banana could court.
Okay. And because everyone said, or can't freeze.
Yes. So to US. And you guys here, Kwame, you would see some Bishop day. A can a how any or young Bishop the cancer assembly. If you are better in good.
Okay.
Yo, good morning all my fans. This is your man Bishop Bernard Nyako. I wish all of you a happy new year, right? I love you guys. Semuni wa mini okay. I finished here. I just want to say hello to all of you and then thank you so much for your prayers. And I believe saying I'm here 2017 about 2018. Official do be there's a saying in this life, if you want to go fast, you go alone. But if you want to go far, you go with somebody. Now, Bible so concerning said also takacheno di edomanim. And I mean moto say if you can't beat it, join it. People envy you not because of what you are wearing, but because of God's destiny upon your life. Naked, but he did that to save the world. Me fancy you know money wa mini ho eye munti na metiase mo na mo bom pa ma me na medu pempeso obedu enye nipa bia na enye duro bia ewiase It's good to have enemies. The Bible say, I will prepare a table before you in the presence of your enemies. That is when you get more enemies, you get more blessing. So you get more table, then you get more enemies. What you say? Yes, so you pay in why am I making this video? A branch in America, I want to see a friend of Evangelist Emmanuel Ade. Me a friend of Kwade. Ke come home some. Sabi adwuma me yesin na mitwa. Me ka se kwa de me ye mensa. Me ma ho de ne mensa ene ma no. What you say? We on say o Illuminati. We say o Illuminati say me nya dan. Na say munfo no mo kasa de bi o me Illuminati. Ade. Se o person no be twime na nya me pagya wa fa ho be twime. Because me Nyankopon bless but not in a negative way. O say le we Illuminati. Kwa kuma ni Illuminati. Vivian J. Onkwa Aden. No abushia man ka ope. E nyame na hira me. Me nko oboso so da me nko ba bia da me die ni asafo awurade. Me fan gina me sere mo ignore that man me hu say here mental you know here divine healing. Are you understand what I'm saying? Me better nyankopon na me say na ju a wada ohia nko na me hia de. All my fans, me sem bebre me dom bebre Muni wa me ni ho. Eye mo mpa bo no mo nkura sam be du pepeso am be do yi. I love you so much. You can ask any questions. I love you. But kwa there, I don't think it's making sense. See social media, me a demonic. Atare bia me se twesi ni bia na ring bia me se bia no. Sibi for the money. Se me okwote kuma me share ring. Me ohina me share ring. Me sikani me share ring. Ade de na age afri me ho. Enti Illuminati me kani. You will not come interest in you. But Bible said, Bema also some free na would. Now, obedi dimidi one would dim in negative way. So also Yanko Ponson, maybe Illuminati. Mr. Because in Yanko Pam, son of boss on your sassy. Abraham Jacob Nazik Yanko Pono. Or name wo, bed dimino and Thomasem. Mijao Maname. Mimi Manuka say me and Chiro. And other ring, I able to make me Sasso, may actor. Ade me actor, Lewe actor, Vivian J, my brain actor and actresses. Why? And now to YouTube now, what can find out the way from today, until the move because the judgment of God is coming between me now. I mean, my fans me don't be I feel much in same baby, you know, but ignore them because if we are to be our mama be an who. Say, Yango Poesia, we say, Nipakafa, to my go crano, and you'll be a. It's and I came to tell you, sir, if you can't beat it, join it. I've watched that up here. As someone can say, my home didn't win in a ruddy or one of my home didn't free. In spite of my strength, you know, you are the source of my power. And I don't pay another mission. They say, I mean, some are coming fans at Sina, a bibation can be a 2 a day foot. As one I be now coming once more. At them. And your reto equal ready. One of these days, you know, when you go party mu bam and you will be a one gumen massy, yentem na enya papa. Mediani Christo, Mediana suffer ready. The Bible says a son of Nipa is going to go point a boafo. Mini I was maybe any pack can say be a far. Don't react, don't say anything, don't insult them. Catch almost say me German yame. There are 2 jobs in the next one can say me Dima Fortias. All my fans, I love you so much. And our prayer came to encourage your emotion and tell you, say, you shall not die. Don't die. Because tomorrow by this time, you'll be vindicated. I love you so much. God bless you. I salute you. Be safe also. Stay blessed.
Nana ya sempa let's say evangelist we sound so anya there because enipa no ye movie star. Now can kase from home ne buofu kasa kasa say dia.
Obi se abrabo na ye bono de beye bia ehun akatwa bo de bia na meka ho asem de beye bia he Apostle John Prabre wo de wakra de wonim
na
empaibo akonchene no da atwa mountains na se ne wo so tia US na wo ku papa we nim ase o gidi se wo ono wasefo bedi ye wa abrabom
nye no
wan hwe ya yare a obudu sika besan na ehoyin hat esanse nyame nipa yemfani ni agro
na Apostle John Prakra no we emfie dodo a wotena atwe a Illuminati kura no
kwa me de ba Illuminati sem no Efrihe, deba din Illuminati. Deba din Illuminati. Me debia me kasa on. Me de busumachi. Aba busuma boa me no. Yakopon ko nkume de na me esa onche me kran firi misem.
Okay.
On twa me nkwa na so buko me nim nyansa. Isanse wo kan Bible say abosonsom sebi nkwasiasem. Nye sebi kra abosonsom ye nkwasiasem.
Na hwe evangelist ade ya o eja na mane ene na ma wakasa kasa saa no. Ede ne mfanye no.
Oh, me hu
na sebe na ye nkankyere no.
Ade ba ko pe na mpese nkofo bi. Sebi ponko abodama ni wura emmodam. Omo a ade video suba na mo share man munjai.
Okay.
Sebi se obi kanyame asem na se ebele social media na wo ntimi ko preach na wo share sa video ni ma sa anya minute na automatically wo preach.
Okay.
What I say?
Say evangelist no e de ni video bi to ho e cassette ya obi na wa oba share so automatically you so
also promote sa anya man.
Okay.
Na se yemi edin da ho.
Na na say on san ka say bishop evangelist no e de video bi e be to YouTube and Facebook na wa oba share no automatically so no who preach about that is okay.
Because me the video ba ebe to Facebook me esofo. Me ka say me esofo me nyame frɛ me ma say na meka. Di mesua ni di mehu. Na meka wonse na go frɛ me amepe. But for now ya me nyame frɛ me. But the maker say efa say nyame ni pe bi. E di video bi to social media na say preach. Na video no hwensi me na say eboa ni pass trem. Na wo share man na automatically say the wo preach.
Okay.
Ko bo anya mituma but so bi so de nyoma boni be to social media na wo so o share say ni pakro na automatically say the wo so na hoye
okay.
What is happening it in say bi social media na on your new bo ma ye nhwe hu yi o be kasa boni ne say makasa etia menua ma isi ba nyoma kitinkiti bo ma ye ya eye boni a ye nim say ye boni.
Okay.
Like I say Apostle John prayer so na ekwo mami e dia kwa rituals mene no menka ni wo se mene ni mi na ekwo mami dia kwa rituals Apostle ne mami no on fiese Apostle mami o na almost 84 years seven previous obi onim nyanse bia ne mba ya adwene se ke ye wo gan ha ko bia mami etimi enya sa 84 years ni bia
o de nyi de da so kran free so
obi akwa etimi nya 80 years mpa Kanyankopon kamenyi ni se beblem no anase wiase ni panyi no obi etimi nya 80 years anke ho batoye
okay
eti se onya 80 years ansa no menua na fomo
debi
na sebi se Illuminati for komo fo papa se ka bro wi a wanyina wie no ena kwadne kwa recha aba ne ma ho ne nuanom ho na busuafo ho na nka bro na wanyina wie no odne kwa recha 84 years
na Illuminati for so waje
na de me catch a mesre no se de wo ka se me Illuminati for na fa me nim amon kan che ko so mo nim na ye adwuma ana mon sa ma me sika bia de menam mo na no na menam
obi anso me kan kire obi ase contract ne na for
me afele enti me hun sa se Illuminati for na no ne ka ho asem no mo sisi me eni so wa idea bi kwa me fa so Illuminati for na da roma ama be fa mi na ko bodi mi sika be ma me dia ka me ni beje pa
na evangelist ade onyo so se o prefer mutina ma na yesa na eme
obi o prefer ma de bia na me ka se mi se o de oni mi ye pa menya adwuma kra no me fa nse ma poesis na mi no na wa so betimi di adanse se first one they find me twa bi kama me second movie kra me twa just one scene so two scenes what I see it ya no bi ni se o ye video se film na pe ka film ka make your story afam what I see na me de mo to lead role na me twa ba ko me ni ensa Ghana fo be hu me se story ne ye ka won ko adia hwe de bia na mka se me se unye ska dan ya pim na se mfre rade a obregu film no unya na abrosan mama sadie na se wa manyankopon abasa anya kese wa brabo so a obregu so we yodin so be guni pe nim ase enya film a obogu ni pe nim ase akoda adaki
okay
eni pe yen nyina ye kwa ebe nyina ye busia fi ene adaka menem
okay
obi abewu na kwa bi be fa so obewu obu o ma ni wo no ono na hwehwe ni wo ma no enti o kan Bible say o sikani bi no o sika be no ka say mekra di nanno na bodie banche baye saja padi we nyina ye dai eya odia na according to Bible no Yankopon issue about kwasia na ma no so kwasia and the major one influence I just say you may be a no etimi frɛ owo mai I just say etimi mesere me nwa no social media na obi a come ho a mo follow me sa ho brasia kwan so you know my ya aya Jesus sunya titi so obi asamaba ye nim ni spread ni e ka bi ebia anipa na ye gu nanim ase no anka wo ade ka wo nwa pani ni bishop aka apu
no correct
onwa pani ene ye friends akosie we ya so Illuminati ya aka apu so onwa pani ene ye friends Apostle John Pra anka apu what you say wo ye ngofo ebro ma wo gu mo ma sese o mudin ba mi ayiri the adabumu a lot I said the be stars now do which is say wonim obi mesra ne say ade say o hwe me a omo munye Illuminati sese ni me ehu omo munye Illuminati ni e mo mama so ko ma ya ade so munnim nyansa
na say de ono si kasa atim say o yim say we Illuminati we nye Illuminati no that is ono Illuminati so fo na
media minnim party say akwan na dwin kolo battery moha na dwin moha obi na dwin moha hwe evangelist ahun Bible crown for Bible crown preaching say ni pantwe no mfiri bone ho da de bia de oba Illuminati na aba be chire nyansa wo e make sense
there be none
obi ni nyansa no me ya dwin kanokra no e make sense
there be say evangelist there oba ka asema o de chi akra manyame
na wo make ya sa to ma sa wo su ti
me say there be nana nyansa nim
you are shameful oh sorry
nana nie
obi nie
nana nti e na abeka kire wadofo ne tifo a edi wachi about evangelist ade asem ye wakan yi
asema me kan say yonkofo bi o ma no monti man ne kasada
okay
say me ataku bi ana se bibisa me fa sa akonya we se so apo bibi a chew
okay
say fan say due to say we maka asem bi abna hawa fa cheme but the point is eningwase ya and I said maybe the and should I ham bebre but ye papa no ma no manante bishop mu Apostle Pramo yenim the kind of name of me the kind of Yankopon omo de omo ho atwene so ene dwumadi omo ye de boanya medwuma ye ntena se saade we se ntino obi abe time ya me sacrifice
okay
ye momo ngunya me ni pani mase na saade no ye no me hu ne say eye bonsam ne me bia wo fa nso a wo ye wo hwe ne ya o kan ya opa yanko he sa video ne kakra mra
okay
na apostle bi ne nam Ghana ono nso ye say friend Apostle John Pra a ono nso wakum ne maame ene wo de ne maame aye sacrifice die ntira no mpese o mo katakata apostle ne maame ne wu no so say on say kuma wudufo no onom e maame no ewu too much onom maame no ewu pa ihwe kuma wudufo a sibia onom maame wu no ya enim se nche bia kwa na maame se wanso e de ne maame aye sacrifice what you say inti yakoba asa no omunim sa apostle we si nso maame de no nso o ma ne ye popular we internet ya ebia ebehu ena me hu se Apostle John Pra maame wu no ka ho bi ono nso nim hu secret ni bi but obabo ntene se omu create ne ma o it's all mind games distractions what you say nti wa utie me na ma woni na o we kura me nhwe Jadi ba bepse nti apostle ne maame no 1 week no asini 1 week observation asini so who ga we say mo hwe nanim yi o wase biu ene ma ekoso nyina wonim se apostle no ekune maame no wode ne maame ya sacrifice mo hwe nanim yi guy we say mo hwe ne yi
so hwe video net we say nese mo ka nyina say omo ase bi omote nyame na ase no enso ho na omufo musika nibi na omonye kama na de sika yibi na ye kama anka wo evangelist ka de wa yeti kase na ka be o to ma na wo kasa so obi didi ena o ye kama akase nka wo afo no anya nga no ka wonye sei obehweti nyame mefre rade na ase se bi omo adwene ana se omakoma entintim ma Nyankopon no mpese opeso mu firi nyame na ase ba Nyankopon ti ase no na nim kwan obefa so obema ne ma atra ne na ase no ensida
okay
opese nipa adwene ye omo ntanta mesre ma mo Kristo no mo wade mo nso mo Nyankopon mu ye
okay
Nyankopon no obo so ba asase onim die ti odi bedua asase we so mo se ne nchehye bebe nam se Yesu Kristo ko onye obia na de nde mo hwe mu yi
okay
Nyankopon ti ase
okay
de obeka se Nyankopon ti ase bia de obeka se Yesu Kristo onye nyame do ba bia no hwe hu ye wono
okay
me gidi se se de huma Nyankopon ne atimi sum ne ya adi na be dia boy ne be si yi misre obia se okobosom so okoluminati so ekogi se die unye sika se die atemu bi da ho na etwen
okay
Nyankopon shire obia no nye obia kase Nyankopon nye obia kuma so ade ma
amen
me ka asama che one uji Nyankopon de se de wosi hu Nyankopon san na Nyankopon hu
okay
wo ha na gidi se Nyankopon kwa na betime ya ma Nyankopon me sure boso be ya mo be se wo mo abi ye on tanta se me ade we de ma fa kuma ho ahwan bonsam ma me ko esi a uboko nyame na ase se die ohun ni mo nyame da
okay
obi be da ase
ene so da ase bebre da ase bebre ti ni se evangelist so beti na obesakra afiri enema bi a oya odegu amanfo animu ase
obi once a try and fan hu bi yes
na so obesakra
yes so obasa ase so brave
said you see me hwe ni videos na me hu se e film ti no di kakra waka ekura no ono aga so hu a
oni miansa ono me ya
obesasa afiri ho da ase bebre na da ase bebre yense o